Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currency at 0.01969, down 1.3 on the day. Seeing market cap 459 million, 24-hour volume 37 million. Let's hop into the charts. So, a little bit of pullback here for Gala, which was to be expected, shown by this balloon arrow. A little bit of a retest of this wedge pattern. So if we start to push up, we break this bullish confirmation, I may look to enter a long position. A signal will be given in the Discord. It's only $10 a month to get my trade signals. You spend $10 every single day. And that's what I'm looking for. Pullback, bounce, come up and break the bullish confirmation, see continuation to the upside. If we start to come down and lose this support of the wave 2, obviously that wouldn't be a good thing, and we could come down and break that invalidation. Right now I don't think that's the higher probability. Looking at the daily time frame, we have beautiful double bottom, bullish divergence. So what I'm looking for is to get back above the 20 EMA, break this trend line, get back above the 55, and hopefully see continuation to the upside. If we do continue to break down and we lose the support of that wick, we'll be very, very close to breaking the bear market low. But we have that bullish divergence, we have a double bottom, so if we can come up and break that trend line, that's more confirmation of a potential breakout to the upside. So if we break that bullish confirmation, as I mentioned, I'll look to enter a trade. I'll wait for that confirmation, because if we don't break the confirmation and we just go down, well, it's no big deal because we never entered a trade. So we're not going to lose any of our USDT. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. Pretty simple, guys. Trading's not complicated once you know what you're doing. If you want a 14-day free trial to my signals, I just dropped trade signals for Bitcoin, XRP. Sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders. Looking for an exchange, you can check out my full link tutorial, which is clickable at the very end of the video. Make a deposit of $50 or more, and you receive a 14-day free trial to my daily analysis for many cryptos, my exact entries, exits, and take profits. As I mentioned, I just dropped trades for Bitcoin and XRP. Crypto news, remember, profits hot to all plays. Not only that, but Forex. We just hit our first take profit on gold. We hit our third take profit on silver. So not only do you get crypto as well as Forex for only 10 USD per month, which you spend on absolute garbage you put in your body every single day. And you'll get more value out of the Discord, or you can grab that 14-day free trial by signing up to BTCC. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.